at least I feel like it is my moral responsibility to remember all the leaders who have served the state, sir. All the leaders, sir. Let be anybody, sir. Because they have served the state, they have been part of the growth of the state, and the decisions have brought the state to this level where I would say, we proudly say, 3 lakh crore is our budget, sir. और 6 लाख करोड़ है. तो हर किसी ने काम किया, चाहे चन्ना रेड्डी साहब हो, ब्रह्मानंद रेड्डी साहब हो, संजीवया साहब हो, या फिर एनटी रामाराव साहब हो, या फिर उसके बाद में विजय भास्कर रेड्डी साहब हो, जनार्दन रेड्डी साहब हो, या फिर उसके बाद वायएस राजशेखर रेड्डी साहब हो, एनटीआर हो, या चंद्रबाबू नायडू हो, वायएस राजशेखर रेड्डी हो, या तेलंगाना बनने के बाद में केसीआर साहब हो, और आज रेवंत रेड्डी साहब या कांग्रेस हुकूमत हो. हर किसी ने काम किया, और उस दौर के सारे लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन ने भी काम किया, सारे फ्लोर लीडर्स ने भी काम किया. सो आई वुड लाइक टू रिमेंबर ऑल ऑफ देम फॉर कंट्रीब्यूटिंग with their criticism, with their progressive approach. They have, I mean, we should proudly stand here and say that yes, our state is growing, and in fact the state is growing, sir. Sir, we had great leaders, sir, and after bifurcation, sir, the Telangana budget for the year 2014 and 15 projected an expenditure of rupees 1,638 crores, and the residuary AP budget was in 2014 and 15, sir, then it was 1,11,824, sir. Now for the next financial year 25-26, the AP government has presented the state budget with projected expenditure of rupees 3,22,359 crores, and Telangana government has presented the budget with projected expenditure of 3,04,965 crore. The budget size of two states of AP and Telangana is rupees 6,27,324 crores, sir. So now sir, the reason why I am saying this is that, sir, कि हम जब ऐसा हम बाहर जाते हैं, सर, कहीं दावत में जाते हैं, सब जने, शायद हम पावर में हैं, इसलिए people, show the respect and everything, but we also hear that, अरे politicians, politics, we don't want to. अरे no way, politicians. I mean, I don't know why, but people do not have so much of regard or respect for the politician, or if they are respected, it's only because of the power which they are holding. I would like to say that to the people who say that, what are the politicians doing? This is what is the politicians doing. Like I am standing here from last 26 years, sir. Right from 32,000, we have grown to 6,27,324. This is the wonderful work that all the politicians, all the ruling parties, all the leaders of the opposition, all the floor leaders have contributed to the progress and development of the state, and this is why we are standing here. This is what we politicians, and with this, I would also like to appeal to all the youngsters to kindly join politics. We need educated people, we need learned people, so that the state can go forward more and progress more. More learned people can come. If this, if one feels that we leaders are not that good enough and not doing the good enough work, I would say that yes, please come, take our chairs and take our place and lead the state towards progress and lead the state towards, going further ahead, sir. Sir, going further ahead, sir, the central government has been quite sympathetic to the fiscal needs of Andhra Pradesh by liberally releasing higher quantum of central funds by way of share and central taxes and grant-in aids right from 2014 and 15 onwards, sir. Sir, when it comes to Telangana, the central government has been tight-fisted, denying due share to the state.